I'm in the South Loop at the innovative, pet-friendly, luxury, high-amenity 1001 South State apartment tower. Looking out over a dazzling view of the museum campus, looking to the south. The southeast corner, so I'm looking out to Lake Michigan and looking out toward Navy Pier and the Grant Park street wall. In a spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bath apartment with high ceilings and plank flooring throughout. Very efficient L-shaped kitchen here. Thick marble look counters, French door refrigerator with ice and water in the door. A deep double bowl stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, and good cabinets under the breakfast bar here. It's a terrific room facing south and east. It's going to keep flooded with light. One of the 3 bedrooms opens off the living area facing south. Looking at roller blinds on all the windows. 3rd bath, also the guest bath. Bank of drawers for storage. Brushed look gray cabinetry, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and a nice sized walk-in shower. Heading back toward where you would have entered the unit. Full-size stacked washer dryer. Exactly where you want to see it, away from all the main living and sleeping areas. Looking at the entry foyer. It's wide enough to accommodate a piece of furniture. Coat closet off the entry has organizers. And I'm headed into the master suite. There's a large walk-in closet with a great amount of shelving and hanging space. Master bath is a large walk-in shower, attractive gray tile. Also has a tub, double bowl vanity, and great storage in the drawers and the triple wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Master bedroom is large enough to accommodate any size bedding and has that great view out to the south. Back at the entry, headed toward the 3rd bedroom. Really terrific separation of the bedrooms here for privacy. Closet off to the right here. And the bath. Similar finishes to the other 2 baths. And you also have a walk-in shower, deep shower in this bath. All of the closets have organizers, all of the windows have window blinds. Looking out at the view from the 3rd bedroom, facing due east. Spectacular view. It's just going to lift your spirits when the sun shines as it does today. 1001 South State is one of the new buildings that you really have to have on your must-see list. Head to 1001's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.